The production base covers an area of 10,000 square meters and adopts Industry 4.0 production standards. 100,000 level air purification system to ensure clean and hygienic ice manufacturing process. Using Dow RO reverse osmosis membrane and secondary reverse osmosis technology to prepare high-purity crystal water as raw material. High-end pure ice daily production capacity of 400 tons per day. Automatically de-icing, ice pushing, and ice pouring to avoid manual contamination of ice blocks. Microcluster water crystallization technology. The surface of pure ice has a special hexagonal pattern, which stands and resistant to melting. Manual foreign body detection. Automatic ice cutting production line. Roller sieve ice to remove edges and corners. Minus 28 degrees quick freezing tunnel to dry the ice. Vibrating ice screening device. Ice does not melt easily after dried. Automatic canning production line. Achieve daily production of 500,000 ice cups. 160 grams ice cup canning production line. The lead seal. Capping for direct drinking mouth. Automatic external packaging line. Spiral conveyor belts, saving space. Grab the cup ice into the box. Automatic box sealing machine. External packing metal detector. KUKA automatic palletizing robot. Pallet distributor. Automatic winding machine. Forklift transports ice to ice storage room. Trust CBFI to let us do more and better for you.